In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase arrow size in AutoCAD. Let's begin by opening AutoCAD and loading the drawing you want to adjust. Make sure you're looking at a view where you can see a few dimensions clearly, so you can judge the results as you go. The change we're about to make is controlled through your dimension style, which is the master setting that defines how dimensions look across your drawing. Next, type dimstyle in the command line and press enter. This opens the dimension style manager, the central place for editing how dimensions appear. You'll see a list of available dimension styles. Identify the style that your existing dimensions are using. This is important because only the dimensions that use the selected style will reflect the changes. If you're unsure, click one of your dimensions and check its style in the Properties palette before proceeding. With the correct style highlighted, click Modify. This brings up a multi-tab dialog where you can fine-tune your settings. We're heading straight to the Symbols and Arrows tab. This tab controls the visual elements of your dimensions. Things like arrowhead type, leader symbols, and of course, arrow size. Find the arrow size field. This value determines how big the arrowheads appear and is measured in your drawings units. For example, if your drawing is set up in millimeters, a value of 2.5 means the arrows will be 2.5 millimeters in model space. If your printed output looks too small or too large, this is the value to adjust. Increase it to make the arrows more readable at your chosen scale. As you change the number, keep an eye on the preview to the right. It gives a quick visual of what to expect without committing to the change yet. Once you've set the arrow size to the value you want, click OK to confirm the modification and then click Close to exit the Dimension Style Manager. AutoCAD will immediately apply the updated arrow size to all dimensions that use that style. So you should see the arrows update right away in your drawing. If you don't notice a change, double check that the dimensions in question are actually using the style you modified, and be mindful of a notative scaling if your project relies on it. That's it. With just a small adjustment in the Dimension Style Manager, you can make your dimensions clearer and more consistent for on-screen review and plotted sheets.